Hi, my name is Phyllis Conway. I live in California, and I am so happy to have leaf filter on my gutters because it was really clogging up with leaves. And so I'm really happy about it. Fell in love with my salesperson. I found them through lots of mailers that I got, and so they're very prominent in California. And the process was so easy. They sent a guy out, did it in one day, no problem, didn't have to engage. He did everything he's supposed to do. And I paid for it, he left. Well, it was paid for before, but he left and haven't had a problem. And since then, we've had a lot of rain and very successful with the screens on top of my gutters. So I'm very happy, very, very happy. And I would recommend them. Everybody get them in the whole world, actually. So they should go worldwide. It's fabulous. Yes, and then you don't have to have them ever cleaned out again. And it's a lifetime warranty. That's the best part.